Interesting little update on the distilling thing. I went to 15 different pubs yesterday. And I said it wasn't just pubs, it was also, how would you call it? Like tobacconist shops. Yes, they do still have them, but they also sell spirits. And I went to 15 pubs and about 5 of these tobacconists around Somerset. And same spiel to each and every person. I'm starting a home distillery. I'm going to get myself legitimate or legal. I've got to sort out a bonded area, but aside from that, everything else is sort of ready to go. And would you be interested in selling locally made English spirits? No, we can't. Well, half of them said, we got to check with the boss, but you are the boss. Yeah, well, the end of it, basically what it is the Irish are the only ones allowed to sell them drink, or rather, they're not allowed to buy drink for anyone else other than these Irish suppliers. Now, the breweries might sound local, they're fucking not. It's a bit like, what was it, one of the shops? Faggots in a traditional West Country source, or produced in Hungary. It's a lot like the spirits. They will, as soon as I say about supplying them with spirits, I'll be doing it at a fraction of the price that you're paying for your mass-produced crap, and it'll be an English product produced locally. The look of fear in their face. No, we can't do that. No, we wouldn't be allowed. We're not allowed. But you're an independent pub. I'm not going to name the pubs, but they were within 25 miles of Taunton. Yeah. Every single one was the same. We're not allowed. But you're the manager of the Apple. I'm not going to say the name of the pub, but you're the manager. Yeah, but we're not really allowed. I don't deal with the drink side. That's down. But you're the manager. Bollocks. It was basically the same answer from every single one. They only allowed to buy spirits from a certain company. Doesn't matter how much it cost, or they only buy it from that one place. To be sure. Yeah, there's a definite. Yeah, that's really, really obvious. So the only way I can actually do this, a few of them said they could do it on the slide, that they'll buy it cash in hand, as long as I don't tell anyone. Which is fine by me. I don't mind selling a litre of vodka for 20 quid. I mean, it's costing me, £3 to make a litre? But I'm trying to get it so it's legitimate as a business. So I'm actually going to, I'll pay tax, like 30 quid a litre in tax, for fuck's sake. But I want to try and get it legitimate. But they won't do it. They can only buy from this one source. And as every pub I went to, I didn't see the off licenses. I don't see any about. I didn't bother with supermarkets because they all have to go through Ireland anyway for all their products. But all these pubs and these tobacconists who sell spirits, they refuse to buy. They're not allowed to buy anything local. They are not allowed to sell anything made locally. Now you can check for yourself. Check in the pubs in your area. Check in the tobacconists, the places who sell spirits. Ask them if they have any spirits for sale that are made in England. Because I couldn't see any, and I did look. There's at least, there's 3 distilleries and bloody, it's that town just outside of Exeter. There's a small town outside of Exeter. It's got 3 distilleries. That's official distilleries. There's 8 in just northeast of Exeter. There's a lot of distilleries in the southwest. We're talking hundreds. I think there's 200 distilleries in the southwest. But yeah, these shops will not sell English spirits. And they looked really guilty and in fear when I said about me selling them spirits. I said to them, as an introductory offer, when I get myself registered, I'll sell it at £35 a litre. It means I'll still make a profit. I'll only make about £2 a litre profit because £28.64 is tax for the spirits, for the duty. Then £3 to make it. So I'm only making about £3. But I do that as an initial thing to get the ball rolling. No, you can't do it. So yeah, the IRA, the gangsters, are running the place in every way, shape, and form.